B. Bank A offers a 10% APR amortized over 30 years with 360 equal monthly payments. There is no loan fee with Bank A. Well, Bank A offers a 10%, so that looks like my rate is 10%. And amortized just means it's going to be an installment loan over a certain amount of time, and in this case 30 years. So my T is going to be 30. 360 equal monthly payments, so we know N equals 12. And this 360 is sort of, we're going to hear about it every time, but it's really just the 12 times the 30. So if we do 12 times 30, we get 360. So that's how many payments you end up making. But we really just need to know that our N is 12 and our T is 30. So then our NT is 360. So we could use that instead of the NT if we want. And there's no loan fee, so there's nothing additional to these closing costs that you're going to have to pay. So the formula, it's not asking you to find the amount of the payment, but Part D is asking which loan is better. So we kind of need to know what the payment is for each, and then we'd be able to find that. So we'll say the payment equals, there's my formula written out, and so I'll be finding the payment amount for the purchase price, which is the amount to be financed, so that's going to be the $90,000, times my R, which is 0.10 over N, which is 12, and all that over 1 minus 1 plus 0.10 over 12 to the negative, and we know 360 because the NT, remember we talked about that before, so negative 360. We could use it like that. The numerator looks pretty easy. Let's calculate it first and store it. So I'll calculate that R over N first, 0.1 divided by 12. And I get 0.0833, and it repeats, so I definitely want to store that. So instead of this, I will store it in A, and it will be 0.0083 repeating, and that'll be the same thing for this A down here. So store in A, and then I need to just multiply that by 90,000. So I get 750. I'm not even going to store that. That's simple to type in. So $750 over all that I have in the denominator. So I think I will start off by doing this addition here. So I have 1 plus recall A equals, and then I have to do the power to the negative. I need that negative button, negative 360 equals, and then I have to do 1 minus answer equals. So now I have 750 divided by 0.9495 on and on. And so I will do 750 divided by answer. And I get a payment for Bank A is $789.81.